And am I pronouncing this correctly? Is it Kochblume?
Kochblume.
Kochblume.
I think so.
I
don't. My German is non-existent.
I'm going to trust your German before I trust my German.
Yeah.
This is the most popular kitchen brand at QVC Germany.
Yes.
And we are excited about this because 7 pieces, this goes where the dirt may be hiding.
Yeah.
And it could be small spaces, yes?
Yeah, that's right. Like even right here, they were made for the kitchen. Turns out any small space, the grid of your car, maybe you're detailing the rims on your car, or maybe there's your vent in your dryer. You can get down in there and take the lint out.
You know what's happening in all this bad weather?
Yeah.
My car is being caked with ice and salt and slag and yuck, and it's getting into the nooks and the crannies everywhere.
Yes.
And so this is going to clean it the way a detailer would clean it.
That's right. And what this is, again, like you said, Kochblume specializes in high-end silicone. This is pure silicone here. The heads come off. That's why you're getting more heads than handles, because you can keep a set for your kitchen, a set for your bathroom if you wanted to.
A set for the car.
A set for the car. And then you can clean them just in the dishwasher, just soap and water, and they will always stay like brand new. Here's the main thing about this. So say you have a champagne flute, and my finger, you can only get so far. You stuff a towel, try to get in there. This will go into those spaces, and that looks like a car wash where I go around. It'll get to the bottom of that, and that's this guy here. Even if you're doing bowls and you want to rinse them out, just keep this at your sink and use this to rinse it out. Any ketchup or mustard that's on this,
let's talk about a throat of I don't know, an insulated bottle. There on the end?
Oh, like right here, absolutely. How do you clean these?
What if you have milk in there?
Yeah.
It stinks.
How do you get to the bottom? You shake it, so this will go through that top, get all the way to the bottom. You're gonna go around here, pull it out like this, and that way you can clean all those tough areas. Even things like your Kong for your dog, you can go in here, clean that. Or, I've even used this for things like beaters or whisks. You can get inside, in between, and it'll clean it out. So a lot better than using a sponge.
Not that I know what this is.
One of these.
Yes, I do. This is a shaker that makes delicious beverages. But sometimes you get gunk inside this and you need to clean it out. We're going to help you do that. Now, before we go any further, let's talk colors.
Yes.
Now, we have this in sage. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 heads, 2 handles.
Yes.
Sage is most limited. This is sage. We also have it in navy blue. We have it in dark gray. And we have the red, which is right here, that you've been using.
Yeah.
Now, a lot of people on this Valentine's Day, and I know you have a new bride.
Yeah.
Valentine.
Yeah.
Are you buying flowers, candy, or making dinner?
Going to dinner. A new French restaurant just opened up in Westchester. I'll tell you about it. It's fantastic from what I hear. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
But if you are doing flowers today, you may need to clean out that bud vase.
Yes, like those long, thin. So this is the vase brush here. So, and again, you can move this around from different handles. So if you have a space that's small, like the single rose vases that are, this will go into that space, and then you can go and clean that up like so and pull it out. And so again, it allows you to get the grime off, the dried water, all that. Even things like this right here.
Oh, toothbrush holders.
Toothbrush holders. Some of the really nice ones are closed in here. This will go into those spaces so you can clean all those little areas that you just normally can't get to or that are a pain in the hand to get to. This will get into it. And
now, I don't see a vase per se, but you could use any of these for vases.
Sure, yeah. I didn't have a vase prop.
This one?
Well, this is, again.
Oh, closer to, by the this one. To the right. No, this one.
Yes.
This is a carafe that you would serve with wine. I can remember milk being delivered in these.
Oh, really? Yeah.
All those kinds of things. Or you could use that as a vase to hold flowers.
There you go.
Valentine's
Day flowers. And how do you clean those vases? So again, this is a bottle and vase. You get all 3 different sizes. So you have one for and you're getting 2 of these, so as cleaning brushes. This size right here is excellent. It has a tip that's flexible on it.
And how best to clean these cleaning brushes?
And then again, you could just soap and water or even put it in your dishwasher and just let the dishwasher do the work for you.
Let the dishwasher do the work. If you've got something with a small opening, this is ideal. If you're looking to clean the sink ideal, because remember, this is something that rinses cleanly or can be placed in the dishwasher. The bottom of your shoe collects a lot of dirt and dust and debris and yuck.
Yep.
This time of year, it's mostly yuck. It's winter yuck, right? So, and if you are cleaning the grill or the brake dust on a car, this is ideal for all of that. Don't wait on this. And a lot of cars have parking cameras. And if you have that salt collecting on the car, and then you engage the parking camera inside the car, you don't see anything.
Right.
Or what you see is very cloudy because it's all covered up with yuck.
Right.
This is going to clean the yuck.
This will clean all the yuck. And the best part is you can clean this. If you do any of these things with the sponge, your sponge, especially if there's oil or grease or barbecue sauce or mayo or mustard, anything will rinse right off of this.
Or
that's
something
why
that's
silicone.
dried on.
Right. And that's why, so if you have one of these, and again, these are kind of used. If you try to clean your champagne flutes with this, you might break it. I mean, there's just metal wire in here and it's a bristle. So again, the right tool for the right job. Come in here and get all those vases, your crystalware clean.
You said it best, Chef Jeremy. It's like a car wash.
A car wash, right. And
Right.
these come off if you wanted to replace them, if you want to use one for your bathroom. Another thing I love here that I saw Mark Denenberger, who was from Germany, that brought these here originally, is he took his wedding ring off and said, you know, you could actually go through your wedding ring there and clean the inside of it. How cool is that?
That is very good. Make sure that ends up back on your hand.
That is right.
As you're taking your Valentine.
There it is. That's going on there. Okay.
Yeah.
Thanks.
she's gonna notice that being gone if it's gone.
Yeah.
Hey, everybody is loving color choices. We have the sage, but sage is most limited. So please don't wait on the sage. We have this in navy, dark gray, and then over here is the red. A little further, a little further. There it is. There's the red. And red is most popular.
Oh,
We're very,
awesome.
very busy with this brand. No matter how you say it, just get it, because it's going to solve problems. Have you ever tried to clean the milk out of the tip of a baby bottle? If you don't clean all that milk out of there and it curdles and starts to smell, one time I dropped a whole gallon of milk in my garage on the concrete floor and it burst open.
And how long did you smell it for?
A long time.
Yeah.
I mopped, I cleaned, I used pine cleaner, I used everything. It stunk for months. Don't let those things happen to you. All right. Happy Valentine's Day to you,
Thanks,
sir.
you too,
Enjoy dinner tonight. That sounds exciting. Now, we want to remind you, if you missed any of the items in the show, you can shop the show on QVC.com or your mobile app. And it's a great way for you to be able to take care of all of the things that you may have missed, because maybe you were at work and you're just getting home and you're